Picture this, a young boy born into poverty in the Mississippi Delta, clutching his first guitar, a gift that would change his life and the world of music forever. This is the story of B.B. King. Born as Riley B. King on a balmy September day in the year 1925, his early life was anything but easy. Raised amidst the hardships of the Great Depression, young Riley found solace in the strings of his guitar. Music to him was more than just notes strung together. It was an escape, a refuge, a language that spoke directly to the soul. His upbringing, though marred by poverty and hardship, was the crucible that shaped his extraordinary talent. The raw emotion in his music, the soulful strains of his guitar, they all echoed the trials and tribulations of his early life. Little did the world know, this young boy from Mississippi would grow up to become one of the most influential musicians in history. Leaving the fields of Mississippi, B.B. King took his guitar and dreams to Memphis, where his career truly began. The year was 1948, and the vibrant, soulful city of Memphis was a beacon of hope for the young bluesman. With a burning passion for music and a guitar named Lucille, B.B. King was ready to stake his claim in the world of blues. He found his first break in Memphis, performing on Sonny Boy Williamson's radio show. This was the stepping stone B.B. needed. His unique style, a blend of gospel and blues, began to resonate with the people. His music was not just about the rhythm and the blues, it was a story of life, love, and the human experience. His early career was marked by relentless touring and a determination to make his mark. He played on the streets, in churches, and in juke joints, honing his craft and developing his distinctive sound. His dedication to his music was unmatched, performing an astonishing 350 concerts in a single year. Then, in 1951, came the breakthrough he'd been working for. His first big hit, 3 O'Clock Blues, soared to the top of the Billboard R&B charts, holding the #1 spot for a remarkable 5 weeks. The song was a poignant expression of longing and heartache, and it struck a chord with listeners across the country. B.B. King's rise was more than just a success story, it was a revolution in the blues genre. He brought a new depth and complexity to the music, blending traditional blues with sophisticated jazz elements. His soulful voice, coupled with Lucille's melodic wails, created a sound that was uniquely his own. With each strum of his beloved guitar, Lucille, B.B. King was not just playing the blues, he was reinventing it. His journey from the cotton fields of Mississippi to the heart of Memphis was the birth of a blues legend, a man who would forever change the face of music. B.B. King didn't just play the blues, he lived them. And through his music, he shared his experiences with the world. B.B. King's story is not just about the music, it's about the man himself. His rise to fame wasn't an overnight success story. It was a journey paved with hardship, perseverance, and an unwavering love for the blues. King's relentless touring schedule became legendary in itself. In the mid-60s, he was performing upwards of 300 shows a year. That's nearly every day of the week, folks. He was a workhorse, a road warrior, a man who lived his life in service of the blues. But it wasn't just about the quantity of performances. It was the quality that set him apart. Each show was a masterclass in musicianship, emotion, and raw, unfiltered blues. And let's not forget about Lucille, his beloved guitar, which became almost as famous as the man himself. King's music did more than entertain, it educated. He brought the blues from the margins to the mainstream, making it accessible to a whole new generation of listeners. His influence stretched far and wide, inspiring countless artists across various genres, from Eric Clapton to John Mayer, Many of the world's greatest musicians cite King as a major influence. And then there were the iconic performances, the thrill of hearing The Thrill Is Gone live, the soulful strains of Every Day I Have the Blues, the heartfelt emotion of Sweet Little Angel. These were more than just songs. They were experiences, journeys into the heart and soul of the blues. Under B.B. King's influence extends far beyond his death. His music continues to resonate and inspire artists across the globe. This was a man who, with his guitar named Lucille, didn't just play the blues. He lived them, breathed them, and in doing so, changed the face of music forever. B.B. King's legacy is a rich tapestry woven with the threads of perseverance, passion, and undeniable talent. The echoes of his distinctive style can be heard in the works of countless musicians who came after him. Artists from Eric Clapton to John Mayer have tipped their hat to King, citing him as a significant influence on their music. His unique blend of jazz and blues, his emotive vocals, and his unparalleled guitar playing have left an indelible mark on the world of music. But the impact of B.B. King's life and career extends beyond the realm of music. He was a symbol of resilience and determination, rising from humble beginnings in Mississippi to become a worldwide phenomenon. His story has inspired countless individuals, showing that with talent and tenacity, one can rise above circumstance and achieve greatness. Even after his passing in 2015, B.B. King continues to receive posthumous recognitions and awards. In 2016, he was inducted into the R&B Hall of Fame, and his album, The Thrill Is Gone, was named one of Rolling Stone's 500 greatest songs of all time. These accolades serve as testament to the enduring power of his music and the depth of his contribution to the world. B.B. King's legacy is not confined to the past. It's a living, breathing entity, continuing to shape the landscape of music and inspire new generations of artists. His music is a testament to the human spirit, a beacon of hope and resilience that continues to shine brightly. B.B. King may have left us, but his music, his passion, and his legacy remain forever ingrained in the heart of the blues. B.B. King's journey from a poor boy in Mississippi to a worldwide blues legend is a testament to his talent, resilience, and love for music. He was not just a musician, but a force of nature that transformed the landscape of blues music and left an indelible mark on the music industry. His music, a blend of raw emotion and technical prowess, has left a profound impact on artists across generations. From Eric Clapton to John Mayer, countless musicians have been inspired by King's unique style and his ability to convey deep emotions through his guitar, affectionately named Lucille. But B.B. King's influence extends beyond the realm of music. His humble beginnings, his struggle, and his eventual triumph are a source of inspiration for individuals from all walks of life. His story is a powerful reminder that no matter how dire the circumstances, with passion and determination, one can rise above them and leave a legacy that transcends time. B.B. King was not just a blues musician, he was the blues. His music has become synonymous with the genre itself. Even today, years after his passing, his records continue to sell, his songs continue to be played, and his influence continues to be felt. His contribution to the world of music is immeasurable, and his legacy continues to inspire and influence musicians around the globe. B.B. King's impact on the music industry, the world of blues, and upcoming artists is undeniable. His music, his style, and his passion have set a standard that continues to inspire. He has shown us that music is not just about creating melodies, but about expressing emotions, telling stories, and touching lives. B.B. King, a name synonymous with the blues, a legend whose music continues to inspire. His story is a reminder that no matter where you come from, your voice can be heard. His legacy lives on. His music continues to resonate, and his influence continues to shape the world of music.